Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2026 at 10:19, and today we have our Day 1 outlook to look at for today. So our Day 1 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses western to southwestern Texas. We have a marginal risk that encompasses southern to western Texas and southeastern New Mexico. We also have a marginal risk up here, over here I should say, that encompasses central Kentucky. We also have a marginal up here that encompasses parts of southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, central to southern Minnesota, extreme northwestern Iowa, and central Wisconsin. We also have a marginal risk over here that encompasses parts of eastern to central Idaho, western to central Montana, and extreme northwestern Wyoming. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 5% tornado risk that encompasses southwestern Texas, and we have a 2% that encompasses southwestern Texas as well, going into southeastern New Mexico, We also have one over here encompassing central Kentucky, so we do have those areas under also a 2% tornado risk. So we have Del Rio under the 5%, and San Antonio, Lexington, Fayette, Midland, Odessa, and San Angelo under the 2%. So for the 5% area, we could see a brief EF1 tornado possible today, and 2% we could see EF0 tornado possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of southwestern Texas, and we have a 5% that encompasses parts of southeastern New Mexico, and it's going into western to southern Texas. We have another one over here encompassing central Kentucky. We have another one over here that encompasses southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, central to southern Minnesota, extreme northwestern Iowa, and central Wisconsin. And we have another one over here that encompasses parts of northern to central Idaho, western to central Montana, and northwestern Wyoming. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. So we have Laredo, Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, and Del Rio under the 15%. In San Antonio, Austin, Minneapolis, Corpus Christi, and St. Paul under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses southwestern Texas, and we have a 5% that encompasses parts of southern to western Texas, and southeastern New Mexico. We also have a 5% up here that encompasses parts of central to eastern Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, into central Wisconsin. And we have a 5% that encompasses eastern Idaho and western Montana. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, Del Rio, and Eagle Pass under the significant severe. Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, Del Rio, and Big Spring under the 15%, and San Antonio, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Lubbock, and Laredo under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible today, and 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says scattered severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of southwest into south-central Texas. Large hail, severe wind gusts, and a couple tornadoes are possible through this evening. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's Day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even though you may be in the marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. And I will go over my Day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.